going on, guys? So we have this toilet line that needs to be flushed, needs to be snaked. Yesterday the bathtub was backed up and the superintendent said he couldn't clear it. So we get the opportunity to come in and show them how it's done. So we're going to drain this out and hopefully we'll see that it's plugged once we pull the toilet off, so that we're not here for nothing. Or maybe us being here for nothing is a lot easier than doing the job. But who knows? The one thing I'm happy about is this has new closet bolts. So we know it's going to come off easy. That. Might be able to see the water down there. I don't know. There's water down there regardless. So we're going to use the Milwaukee. The M18 again. We're going to use it with the 5/8 cable just because I got it contained a lot easier in the bin. Right? So we're going to do that, and that's it. We're going to use a 2-inch cutter. So it's going this way towards the front of the unit. Here goes. That's 15 feet. You guys should have been able to hear that, no problem. So, the thing about this line is, right on the other side of this wall is the kitchen. So, we know there's kitchen grease going down. We know there's probably wipes going down. We know there's hair in the line from the shower. Everything creates a perfect storm. This is actually the same line, just lower down, that we were at a couple weeks ago, that we had to get the plumber in to take apart the pipe. So they really need to look into getting this line cleaned out. We suggested power washing so many times. They're either very relaxed on wanting to get it done, or they don't want to get it done. They don't want to spend the money. So I just wanted to show you what I actually was pulling out while I was taking the cable out. With wipes, looks like hair, like I said. More wipes. More wipes. When are people going to get it through their head that these things do not break down? When are they going to stop selling them? That's the problem. Because that's where they go. They just go down the toilet. getting ridiculous. Look, wipes, wipes, wipes. Hair. The black is grease. Looks like there might be floss. It's getting ridiculous. Those who clean drains that watch my channel, when you find stuff like this and it just becomes a pain in the ass to clean your cables, do you guys just ever toss your cable and bill it back to the customer? When we go into restaurants, or you know where it's bad, big box stores that have kitchens and stuff like that, we get all the fat, the meat fat from the meat departments and stuff like that in a cable, and it takes you hours to clean them. I just throw them out and bill it back. If they want to not pay attention to what's going down the drain, they're gonna have to pay. And because I get sick and tired of that, having to keep spending hours unpaid to clean my cables just so that the next job I go to isn't a disaster. But anyway, so I just want to show you guys what did come out of the lines. You can see how black that is? That's all kitchen grease. Lovely. Alright guys, thanks for watching.